In the heart of the dense jungle, a serpent named Krait dwelt. Unlike the fearsome and venomous snakes of legend, Krait was gentle and wise. One day, a young hunter entered the jungle, armed with a bow and arrows. He had heard tales of Krait's wisdom and sought its counsel. As the hunter ventured deeper, he stumbled upon Krait coiled around a tree, its scales shimmering in the sunlight. The hunter approached cautiously, his heart pounding with anticipation. "Who are you?" Krait asked, its voice resonating like the whisper of wind through the leaves. "I am a hunter," the young man replied. "I have come to seek your wisdom." Krait regarded the hunter for a moment before speaking. "What is it that you wish to know?" The hunter hesitated, unsure of how to phrase his question. "I wish to know the secret to a successful hunt." Krait's eyes narrowed slightly. A successful hunt is not determined by the number of animals you kill. It is determined by the respect and gratitude you show to the creatures you take from the forest. The hunter was surprised by Krait's response. "Respect and gratitude?" he asked. "But I must provide for my family." "Yes, you must," Krait replied. "But you can do so without taking more than you need. Remember, every creature in this forest has a role to play, and every life is precious. If you treat them with respect and gratitude, they will continue to provide for you." The hunter thanked Krait for its wisdom and continued on his journey. He returned to his village with a deer, which he shared with his family and the rest of the community. From that day on, the hunter hunted with a newfound respect for the creatures of the forest. Years passed, and the hunter grew old. His children and grandchildren followed in his footsteps, learning the wisdom of Krait. The village flourished, and the forest thrived. One day, the hunter lay on his deathbed, surrounded by his family. As he looked back on his life, he realized that Krait's wisdom had not only helped him provide for his family but had also taught him to live in harmony with the world around him. In the end, the hunter passed peacefully, his spirit returning to the forest where Krait still resided. And though he was gone, his legacy lived on, inspiring generations to come to live with respect and gratitude for the creatures of the forest. The moral of the story: treat every creature with respect and gratitude, for every life is precious and has its role to play in the grand scheme of things.